Assalamualaikum class 7th. Hope you all are fine. We are doing unit 7. We leave the island of Robinson Crusoe. In this unit we have read so far that the island is not inhabited. It is inhabited but not uninhabited, and the seamen, the prisoners, are sorry for their actions. Also, they ask for mercy, they beg for mercy from the captain, but captain says to them that this island is not under his control and their lives are not in his control. यानी उसकी उन prisoners की life उसके control में नहीं है, बल्कि there is another person called the governor. The governor is here who rules this island. Governor इस island पे रहता है और वो इस island पे rule करता है. And he also says that Atkin, who is most evil of all, will be hanged in the morning. But he was lying. The governor did not say this. Governor यानी Robinson Crusoe ने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला. This last part was his own statement. He did not say, Robinson did not say this. He did not order Atkins to be hanged. तो ये उसकी अपनी तरफ से बनाई हुई statement थी, and he made this part just to made him frightened. So, I thought that now it would be an easy thing to persuade these men to help us capture the ship. Persuade means to convince. Who is saying I thought that? Robinson is saying that अब ये बहुत easy होगा उन seamen को, those who have been captured by them, captured by the captain and Robinson and their team. It would be easy to convince them to get back their ship. यानी उनकी शिप वापस हासिल करने के लिए अब उनको कन्विंस करना और उनको साथ मिलाना, जो प्रिजनर्स थे, जो अब जिनको एटकिंस और उनकी टीम को जो रॉबिन्सन ने कैप्चर कर लिया, उनको कन्विंस करके शिप वापस हासिल करना बहुत आसान होगा. Standing at a distance from them in the dark so that they might not see what kind of a governor they had. Who is standing at a distance from them? Robinson Crusoe, who is so called the governor. The captain calls him governor. So governor is standing at a distance from them. From whom? From the prisoners in the dark, अंधेरे में, so that they might not see what kind of a governor they had. So Robinson does not want to reveal his identity. Robinson नहीं चाहता कि उसको देखे और उनको पता लगे कि उनका गवर्नर किस किस्म का है. I called the captain to me. Robinson called the captain. Captain को अपने पास बुलाया रॉबिन्सन ने. One of the men repeated my words to the captain. Who was one of the men? One of captain's mate, one of old prisoners repeated his words, Robinson's words to the captain. जो रॉबिन्सन ने कहा उसके वर्ड्स को रिपीट किया कैप्टन के मेट ने, कैप्टन के फेलो ने. कैप्टन, he said, the governor calls you. Now, who said this? The governor calls you. The captain's mate, one of the men. The captain replied, tell his excellency I am just coming. Excellency means his majesty. When you want to honor somebody, when you want who is at a very good position, at a very good seat, so you call him excellency. Tell his excellency when you want to honor the person. So the captain wanted to honor the governor, so he says, tell his excellency I am just coming. तो कैप्टन ने उसको कहा, कैप्टन ने उस आदमी को कहा जो कैप्टन को बुलाने आया था कि आप गवर्नर को बोलिए कि मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. My own men were very amused and the prisoners all believed that the governor was nearby with his 50 men. Amused means they were very entertained. They were enjoying this governor part, जो कि governor कोई था नहीं, but the captain was just telling the prisoner, he was just trying to scare them. That is why the fellows of the captain was enjoying the situation. और इन सब बातों का उन प्रिजनर्स को यकीन भी दिलाना था कि गवर्नर और उसके 50 आदमी वहीं पे कहीं करीब हैं। When the captain came, I explained my plan for seizing the ship. जब कैप्टन आ गया तो रॉबिन्सन ने अपना प्लान शिप को कैप्चर करने का उसको एक्सप्लेन किया. He liked the plan very much and we decided to make our attempt the next morning. So who liked the plan? Of course, Captain liked the plan very much and they decided to make their attempt to get what? To make their attempt to get their ship back the next morning. अगली सुबह अपनी शिप वापस हासिल करने के लिए they will invade the ship. शिप पे जाके जो बाकी सीमैन है उन पे अटैक करेंगे. I told the captain we must divide up our new prisoners. He must take Atkins and 2 more of the really bad men safely tied to the cave where the other prisoners lay. I told the captain. Who told? Robinson told the captain. Robinson ने captain को बताया that we must divide up our new prisoners. Who were new prisoners? Atkins and company. They were new prisoners and Robinson was of the view. Robinson सोच रहा था कि they should divide them. They should not keep them at one place, so he wanted to send them to the cave where the other prisoners were waiting. He must take Atkins and 2 more of the really bad men safely tied to the cave where the other prisoners lay. जहाँ पे बाकी prisoners हैं वहीं पर एटकिंस और जो सबसे 2 evil आदमी थे उनको भेज देना चाहिए. Safely tied, बंधा हुआ, हाथ पाँव उनके बांध के. I ordered the rest to be taken to my country house. 2 घर थे उसके. If you can remember, he had 2 houses. One was at cave and the other at countryside. So he ordered the rest prisoners to be taken to his country house. So they have now divided their prisoners. Some Atkins and 2 bad men were sent to his cave, and the rest of the prisoners were sent to his country house. As there was a strong fence round it, and as they were tied up, they would be safe there, especially as they had promised to behave well. So who have promised to behave well? The rest of the prisoners who were forced to be part of mutiny, जिनको ज़बरदस्ती इस rebellion act का पार्ट बनाया गया था, ज़बरदस्ती उकसाया गया था कैप्टन के खिलाफ बगावत करने के लिए, कैप्टन के अगेंस्ट होने के लिए, तो उनको कंट्री साइड भेज दिया गया और उन्होंने प्रॉमिस किया था कि दे विल बिहेव वेल. दैट मीन्स दे विल बिहेव वेरी गुड. वो भागने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे. When morning came, I sent the captain to them. I asked him to talk to them and find out whether they might be trusted to help us take the ship by surprise. He spoke to them of the wrong they had done to him and of the trouble they had brought upon themselves. He said that although the governor had spared their lives for the present, if they were sent to England they were all certain to be hanged, but if they would agree to join us in an attempt to capture the ship, he was confident that the governor would pardon them. So now Robinson has sent the captain to the prisoner who were sent safely at the countryside. सो रॉबिन्सन ने कैप्टन को उन प्रिजनर्स के पास भेजा जो कंट्री साइड पे जिनको कंट्री साइड भेज दिया गया था, उनको कन्विंस करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू कन्विंस देम टू हेल्प देम गेट देयर शिप बैक, ताकि वो उनको बाकी जितने भी आदमी हैं उनको पता ना लगे जो शिप पे ऑलरेडी मौजूद हैं और उनको सरप्राइज़ करें, यानी उनको हैरान कर दें वहाँ जाके, उनको अपने साथ मिलाने के लिए ताकि वो उनकी हेल्प करें, ताकि उनकी जो मैन पावर है वो कम ना हो. इसलिए उनको कन्विंस करने के लिए तो कैप्टन ने पहले उनको बताया कि आप लोगों की वजह से जो परेशानियाँ कैप्टन को हमें फेस करनी पड़ी, यानी कैप्टन को, तो वो एक्सप्लेन किया. पहले उसने उसको बताया कि ट्रबल्स जो उसको फेस करने पड़े उनकी वजह से. फिर कैप्टन ने बताया कि गवर्नर ने हालांकि उनकी लाइफ बख्श दी हैं, उनकी जानें उनको यानी कत्ल अब नहीं किया जाएगा, लेकिन अगर उनको इंग्लैंड भेज दिया गया तो उनको ज़रूर हैंग किया जाएगा. लेकिन अगर वो हेल्प करते हैं उनकी शिप वापस हासिल करने में तो गवर्नर उनको माफ़ कर देगा. पार्डन मीन्स to spare their life, माफ़ कर देना, to forgive them. So that's all for today. We'll do rest of the chapter in the next video.